Again, plates and patches, early bird, 39.21. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll going 6 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chiefs up top. Cardinals at the bottom. 6 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here, 6 here. Chris Bowen up top. Tom Hall at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Chiefs didn't sort. They're at the top. There's your squads. Plates and patches, bird. Good luck. Here we go. Last box of plates and patches in the house. Good luck, good luck. First up, 35 out of 35, Cedric Tillman. Going to Matt Lautzenheiser and the Browns. Next up, Josh Downs on the base, rookie for the Colts. Colts going to Craig Nixon on the Josh Downs. Next up, patch trio, Garrett Wilson. 35 out of 50. I don't know why you call it patch trio when you give me 2 napkins, but at least there's 1 patch on there. Nice 3-color. New York Jets and Tom Hall. Next up, nice one here. Javon Curse, 24 out of 35. Going to Chris Hill and the Titans. Javon Curse on the auto. Last card of the break, Tank Bigsby, 10 out of 50 for the Jags. Jags and Tom Hall. 10 out of 50. Let's recap it. Got Garrett Wilson to 50 on the trio. Josh Downs, Cedric Tillman, 35 out of 35. Tank Bigsby to 50. And Javon Curse to 35. That's the break, gentlemen. Thanks for the fill. Again, 13 left in gold, standard 2.